Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Coupe here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to go around. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of both exterior and interior. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in the black sapphire metallic. Alongside that, we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, with also added the 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2016 16 plate, and you'll see the Angel Art and Xenon headlamps currently in operation. Down the side of the vehicle, we've got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, you'll already be able to see that very striking coral red Dakota leather, which in the front of this vehicle does come with the heated seat option and the electric lumbar function, which we'll go ahead now and take a quick glance of. The two colours do work very nicely together, and there you can see straight away how nice and clean the interior of this vehicle is. In the rear of the 4 Series, you do have an ISOFIX 2x2 ISOFIX seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest and centre storage tray, and of course the darkened black M Sport headlining. Moving on to the rear of the vehicle, not before again showing you these 20-inch alloy wheels. Being brand new, of course, they are all unmarked and looking very nice against the black sapphire metallic. At the rear of the car, we've got a high gloss rear diffuser and the matching rear spoiler. And I'll open that up and allow you to have a look at the luggage capacity, which again, for the Coupe 4 Series, is one of the largest in its class, and does surprise a lot of people when they come to view these. Again, having the split folding seat option does open up the boot space even further. And moving around to the other side of the car, you'll be able to again see just how nicely presented everything is on this vehicle. And of course, having that YNC Mperformance body styling kit really does give a different aspect to the 4 Series altogether. One last look at the alloy wheels before we head on inside the vehicle to really go through some of the very special interior features on this vehicle. So now we're sat inside the car, we're greeted straight away by the professional wide navigation and media screen, which currently we've got up on the DAB and media screen. You can see we've got DAB function with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the music collection, along with CD, DVD, USB and AUX, along with Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, as you can see there. A very nice user-friendly satellite navigation feature on this vehicle. Unlike some manufacturers, it is a very user-friendly system, and of course does use traffic updates as well to keep you on the fastest route on your journeys. Heading back to the main menu, we'll quickly look over the vehicle service requirements and service history of the car. As you can see, everything is highlighted in the green, meaning that everything is got plenty of service life left in. 19,000 till the next service is due. This vehicle has covered just over 31,000 miles, as you can see there on screen. And heading back to the service history, as you can see, we've got full BMW service history, and the last visit was very recent at 30,846, sorry. And as you can see, it had a full service including all of the filters. Another feature on this vehicle is it comes both with the collision mitigation braking system along with the lane assist keep as well. Both of these are of course safety features and are very useful items for of course travelling. And as you can see there, it does give you a brief description of what these do. Warning of departure from lane, so a little system will appear on the centre of the clocks just up there, as you can see. So should you stray out of lane without indicating, first of all, the system will alert you by giving you flashing lights and a visible warning message. And if no action is taken after a certain amount of time, which I do believe you can adjust, it will also alter your steering and then put you back into the lane. Of course, this can be cancelled by either turning the system off, or of course if you are indicating to come out of that lane, along with the braking system, which as you can see there, the front end collision warning, and this is to prevent, so that's intervene prior to front end collision. So for an example, if you're travelling down a narrow street and the vehicle deems that the street is too narrow. So as always, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video of this very nice 420D M Sport Coupe. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. Well, I'll always be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information down below in the description to get in touch with us here at Your Next Car, along with viewing the vehicle on our website, where you'll find both the prices for the vehicle and of course all of our fantastic in-house finance options. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.